You know, I used to go through women the way that Ryan Seacrest goes through Crest white strips. A lot of them. Now, I'm not necessarily proud of that period of my life, but I want you to know I didn't do it because I'm some sort of slime bucket. No, I was looking for the perfect woman. And I think a lot of other men are in the same boat. They want someone who's beautiful, intelligent, driven, fills every emotional need they have. The problem is, she doesn't exist. See, that woman, that ideal, that image, was sold to us by marketers trying to make a quick buck by pulling on our heartstrings. No, a real relationship takes work, takes effort. You need to learn to love someone else, and the only way that you can do that is by first learning to love yourself. Now, I know it sounds corny, but no one will make you happy other than yourself. Doesn't matter how beautiful she is, and by the way, she can't look like she's 24 for the rest of her life. And that's okay, because neither can you. So that's it for this video. Now I want to hear from you. Send your questions to crew@ethicalpickup.com. You can follow me on Twitter @CrewSpence. And don't forget to like our Facebook page and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.